You want to go jump in it?
Maybe we could just put her in there.
Just throw her. It's not recording. They heard what you said.
I'm gonna get on there. Look, that's Kirsten.
Where's she going?
Watch her. Watch.
Do you want to go get in with her?
Wanna go jump?
You want to go play?
Come here. Look, wanna go jump?
So,
Woo! It's so much fun.
do that again so we can put it on YouTube.
Whee! Come here. Gonna get in?
Gonna go try it? She's thinking about it.
You gonna jump? You gonna get on?
Just set her on it, see what happens.
Jump around here. Look, boing, boing.
Yeah, keep doing it. This is gonna hold up great in court. Keep doing it.
Oh, it's fun.
Amelia, are you okay, baby? Just you see what mommy did?